right, so as soon as I move this porch light, or this solar powered light comes on, it's really nice. So I have this set up in my garden area, and it's always been difficult walking around at night. I don't have any power, so I couldn't install any other lights. So the fact that this is solar powered with a battery built into it and really illuminates my whole garden is really, really nice. It's really nice how it works too. It only comes on when it needs to come on. It has motion detection. Now it does have a couple different modes. It has a mode where it will turn off completely unless there's movement, or it has a mode where it will stay on a dim setting until it detects motion, and then it will turn on brighter. Just like that. So cool. And that's what I prefer because I can see all the time, but when I'm in the area, it's extra bright, so it's really nice. Now this was sent to me so I could test it out and make this video. It was really, really easy to install. I just drilled 4 pilot holes, put 4 screws in, and that was it. Now it does come with hardware that you can use, so if you want to put it on a pole or something like that, you can do that as well. It comes with a remote, so you can program it to do a bunch of different things. You can have it on full brightness on a timer mode, and then it will turn off after a while. You can have it on all the time, but obviously if you do that, the battery is going to die after a while. Or you can have it on sensor mode like this, where when it detects movement, it will turn on brighter and then it will stay dim the rest of the time. Or you could just turn it off completely if you want. So if you are looking for a quick and easy way to set up a light where you don't have power, I think this is about as quick and easy as it gets. Works really nice. It's great for around the house or above a driveway or something like that.